Hello everyone, welcome to Doi Suthep Nature Center. Today I will present our exhibition. Its name, Suthep Now, Then and Hope. So let's see. This exhibition provides some information in various aspects about Doi Suthep, such as biodiversity, ecology, culture, and history. For the first zone, the introduction zone provides some information about natural history of Doi Suthep, the fun fact, including coverage area of Doi Suthep in 4 districts, which are Mueang, Hang Dong, Mae Tang, and Mae Rim of Chiang Mai. About the height of mountain peaks in area of Doi Suthep, Pui National Park, number of wildlife remaining in the national park, and the estimate number of travelers in and out will widen audience perspective of Doi Suthep. For about this zone, exhibit the relationship between Doi Suthep and local people, found to be superficial through social media in their everyday life, such as Google and Facebook. Nowadays, Doi Suthep is renowned for being landmark of the province, popular check-in area on social media, and highly sacred place to worship, such as Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, Wat is mean temple. Meanwhile, many significant places and activity in Doi Suthep Pui National Park reflect ways of life, tradition and identity of Chiang Mai. There are a governmental development project, for example, Doi Pui Research Station and Song Sen Park with Highland Agriculture Research, Watershed Conservation and Management Office, Doi Suthep Nature Center, which contribute natural history information of Doi Suthep Pui National Park. Moreover, Loyal Project providing some fresh and processed agriculture product can help generate income for Hill tribal farmers more sustainably. And the 18-meter-long graphic wall shows many remarkable places in Chiang Mai toward Doi Suthep. This zone, we go back to the past. One of the critical natural change in northern Thailand is teak cultivation, which exhibit on timeline display. This industry was controlled by governors of each city in northern part of Thailand. Then the industry was subject to central government control when foreign companies fully entered the teak trade. Due to an over-harvesting, Thai government began to establish organizations to solve the forest exploitation. Finally, commercial logging was completely banned in 1989. Okay, now let's see about the elephant. Elephant we used in the teak cultivation in the past, but now we use for tourism. And the elephant is our animal of Thailand. And this one is show about the wood cutting equipment and method, as well as the objective of allowing teak concession are also displayed in this zone. However, the teak industry is not only the cause of natural degradation of Doi Suthep Pui, but other human intervention happen on the mountain also affected to the change and extinction of flora and fauna species. This chart shows about the big animal which alive in Doi Suthep in the past, but now it's already extinct. So let's see, it's like an elephant, banteng, and Indo-Chinese tiger, Indian bison, and Indian muntjac. Okay, this is the information about various types of forest presented in national park. For instance, dry deciduous forest, mixed forest, dry evergreen forest, and evergreen forest are exhibit following the height of mountain they occupy. This zone is a journey back to the time when Doi Suthep was abandoned in wild forest. The exhibition provides natural history background of Doi Suthep and Doi Pui. Doi Suthep is a specific habitat for wildlife, animals, plants, and fungi, which represent complex network in mountain ecosystem. Like this one, for example, it is a northern torrent frog, which live in Doi Suthep. And also we have a endophyte and also a fungi. The use of native species in folklife presented in this section, such as indigo dye process, and also herb and spices. And this is the last zone of our exhibition, called Hope. This zone talk about why do we study biodiversity, and also the benefits from the study and research in three various aspects, which are diversity and conservation, diversity and renewable energy, and the last one is diversity and biotechnology. Here is the Hall of Fame. It is a large book which presents the species that discovered in Doi Suthep. So let's see. For example, this is some kind of orchid, and this is the person who discovered this orchid. And if you see the scientist name, it will end with Suthep pens. Also like this one, it is a white gecko. Also end with Doi Suthep in the scientist name. So it means that this species is first discovered in Doi Suthep. There is information about some wildlife animal and also some flowers and fungi, like this one.